Empty roads beneath my feet, every dream felt incomplete. Broken echoes called my name, still I walk through every flame. Every scar became a sign, every loss redrew the line. I was falling to the ground till I found my own sound. If the night won't let me breathe, I'll become the light I need. I'll rise again, I won't disappear, built from every doubt, every single fear. No more chains, no looking behind. I'm chasing the fire I was born to fight. Even if the world says never, I'll keep running forever. This is my moment, this is my name. Watch me turn the ashes into flames. Storms can bear